Hey guys, so today naatay shoot with Nicole and probably her sister. So this week has been filled with different shoots. Monday, nag-shoot mi sila present about finance, business education, literacy. Nag-shoot pud me with Fast Fresh. Nag-shoot pud me with Tooth Doctors. Kagahapon was with Milestone Realty. Pagka Domingo pa dyan, kaya napod may mga binyag kasi family gatherings. Sa life, naadyo na yung mga panahon na bisita, napoy panahon na medyo sakto lang, napoy panahon na mingon ka. Mapaingon nila, di ba? Pag naagani pressure sa imong life, meaning na ay mga people nag-expect something from you and that is a good thing. Okay? Na kay value na ginagantag sa work. Chart. Mag-drive ta padulong sa Stockbridge. Tumoni siya ang Stockbridge American International School. iPad, tripod, lens, camera, o di ba? Tanaw na to. Tara. Si Dayan, si Nicole, si Maui.
So excited to share this spot with you today. As an educator for play-based learning, you have to consider yung environment.
So, malatas akong shoot with Nicole and Dayan. So, naghatag na po na content dito. More or less, I think natin nakuha ng mga 15 snippets or more. Asa mo nga? Data dre sa pop-up. Tara natin sina Adri. Wow. Lamiss oh. Kung dito na lang. Gcash na mama. Thank you, ma'am. Ceremonial matcha latte by In the House. Bakit? Asa man? Pineapple something burger sa charcoal. Ano ba siya? Mas kailangan sa buffalo do. Dito nga na mo. Wow. Everyday fave sa fun fries. And mo ni ang bacon barbecue man yata. Dagdaghan na muffins. So, dami atuan, tapos magdala may ginani as a gift sa ilang. So, for today, guys, mo to siya na itabo. Hopefully, na mo'y na-learn or na-enjoy po mo sa atong vlog. Salamat and see you on the next vlog.